Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Warhammer 40,000 Battlesector game for free via the Steam launcher. So here follow the steps. Open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Warhammer 40,000 Battlesector and click on the Warhammer 40,000 Battlesector game. Scroll down and here you will see play Warhammer 40,000 Battlesector game. Play for free until 28 May. So click on this play game button and here you will see the file size 23.71 GB. So click on install. Now read the EU/LA terms and condition and then click on accept and then go to the library and here you can see that Warhammer 40,000 Battlesector game is getting downloaded on my PC. So this is how you can also download and install Warhammer 40,000 Battlesector game for free via the Steam launcher until 28 May 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.